Hello friends, now let us see how to record videos using Loom extension. Open a Google Chrome. You can go to the app section on the left hand side, go to the web store. So here type in the software Loom for Chrome. Just click on the button Add to Chrome, Add extension. And this Loom software will be added as an extension here. Now, when you click on this button extensions, you just say Loom for Chrome, you pin this extension, okay, and you can see this is always be available to you. So when you click on Loom, you will be getting these options: screen plus camera. You can see the camera on the left side. If you want, you can drag and place the camera wherever you want. Screen only, okay, where icon will be substituted here, your Google account icon, profile picture. If you want, you can have this, or you can just close it, or you can say camera only. So directly from the camera it will be recorded. You have various options in this camera also. You can select the size of the camera, web camera, to what extent you require, and you can position it wherever you want. So I need screen plus camera, and then you have again here two more options, whether it's a full desktop or a current tab, maybe one screen which you're working with, which you're now. Okay, so whatever option you want, you can select. Now I'm selecting full desktop, and let me start as start recording. It's asking me again your entire screen or application window. Suppose you are working in another application. So for example, I want to show how to work with MS Word. So in Loom, you can select whether you want the entire screen in your monitor, or you can select a particular application. Now let me, for example, select this application, Word document, and let me say it as share. Okay, so now whatever you want to teach your students, you can type or create in this Word. Now let me just create a table for example, and let me call it as the shopping list table. So whatever features you want, you can select and you can explain it to the students. And after explaining them, okay, after explaining it to them, you can again go back to the picture. So now and then you can say as stop sharing. You can say stop sharing, stop. So when you click on stop, your recording is complete, and the recording is shown here in this Loom page. Automatically you'll get a name for the video which you just created, your name and the date. You can download this video, you can copy it, you can delete it, or you can share this video, and or you can also put this video in another folder. Now you can let me just watch this video. Click. So there are various things which you can add to this video, such as you can add all these emojis, whatever you want at a particular location. You can add these emojis like this, and you can play this video in different speeds, and you can also play it in full screen mode also. And then here is the link for sharing this video to your students. You can just click on copy the link and you can paste it in WhatsApp or in the email, etc. And here you have set your privilege, whether this video is available in public for everyone or to people who click on the link. Two types of privacies is available. You can invite your friends and students by clicking on this button, and one more extra feature which is available in this Loom is you can add a password to your video. So let me add a password to my video. Add password, and let me type it as just hello, HELLO, and confirm password HELLO and say save. So you can share this video, and the person who knows this password only can view this video. So this is an important feature which is available in Loom. And then you have few options to edit your video. For example, I can add a custom thumbnail, a picture, small picture. Okay, so this I have. If you want, you can animate. You can select the animate picture like this, and I have already selected a thumbnail, so it's not showing me browse. Otherwise, it will show you a button known as browse, where you can select a particular picture. Okay, and then save. So this is the thumbnail is available when you go to the beginning. One second, when you go to the beginning, or I've just copied the link now. Let me just paste the link and see how it works. Okay, so there's no thumbnail available. Let me just do it again. Okay, can you see here? You have a thumbnail which says browse, custom thumbnail and browse. And let me select a different picture for this one. Let me go to let me select this flower, and you can just position whatever picture you want, and then you can say save. So this picture is added as a thumbnail to this current video which I've just created. Okay, you can see thumbnail is nothing but before the playing of the video, it appears as a picture here. And then you can also add a button to this video. While watching a video, if you want to show some pictures or anything, you can add a button. So call to action is available here. You can select this button and it will be present here only. Now you can type the title of this button here in this button text. Maybe I want my students to view more resources about this. So view more, and if you have any content, you can paste the URL of that. Okay, so maybe I want something about flowers. Okay, so you have this Wikipedia here, and let me just copy this link and paste it in the button link. Okay, and you can change the button color, whichever you want. You can change. I want a pink button. Okay, and you can change the font color also. I want an yellow color, right? Okay, a bright yellow color. And you can change the structure of this button also. I want a rounded one. You can have a rounded button and say save. Okay, so call to action is saved. Now I'll just look at that, how it works. So you can see the button here, and when your student view more, when you want to view more about the topic, you can just click on it and you get that particular page here. Okay, and there's also one more option here. You can trim your video. Okay, suppose there's some disturbance or noise when we are making the video. So what you can do is, after clicking the trim button, the video appears here. You can just select the position. Select the position where you want to begin the trimming. So I want to begin the trimming here. So start trimming and then you play. So whichever position you want to trim, till that position you can just expand it like this. So this particular position of the red one will be trimmed, or it will be cut off. So after selecting the appropriate position, you just have to say remove. Okay, so now this is the position which is present in the red color will actually be trimmed off, and still you want to trim off a little bit. So again you play and find out the exact position. Okay, so I want some other position. Okay, so let me drag this. So this much position I want to be cut off. So select this properly and then say remove. Okay, now after selecting all the various locations which has to be trimmed from your video, you click on publish changes. It takes some time to trim your video, and yes, it's done. So now you can check it out. Okay, the earlier video was 50 seconds. Now the video is only 42 seconds. So the position has been trimmed. You can download this video to your system. You can delete it. You can move it to another folder. Now I have already copied the link. Now let me open this video. Maybe I'll open it in the incognito mode. Okay. So when somebody opens your video, since you have set a password, okay, it shows this video is private. If the password is right, I've just entered something else, wrong password, so the person will not be able to view this video. So only when you enter the correct password, the video will be okay. Okay. So this is about Loom, and we are in incognito mode. Let me go back to this, and you can download this video and you can post it in YouTube, or you can also upload it in your Google Drive, and you can share this video. And even other options are also available, such as if it is a public video or you have shared this video among your friends, all the views can be seen here, just like YouTube videos, comments, etc.